Right? She rotates to the right. This hand is doing what? Posterior, and this one is what? Doing anterior. Okay? So, how do I correct it? So, if this is sticking out to the left, me just pushing it in there is not going to do the trick. Okay? I have to what? De-rotate it. Okay? And as I'm de-rotating it, I also have to what?
Transfer.
Decompress. Alright? So what do? I what? Decompressed. De-rotate. Okay? So you notice, those are the things I do. I didn't say push it back in. So the two D's, right? So if you're like here, what am I doing? I'm going to take my hand here. See? Right? And I'm going to do this, right? What am I doing? I am posteriorly rotating this side. I am anteriorly rotating this side as I lift. Make sense? Okay, so one more time, okay? So you have to train your brain. If I feel this, I'm gonna do this. Alright? Alright? Make sense? Okay. So in order to make this meaningful, right, you need to go to your partner and find an activity for you to test. Right? If they have pain, right, use that painful motion. So we have neck rotation here, we have shoulder abduction there, and we have backward extension there. Okay? But sometimes people want pain, but they're going to have limited range of motion. So if I feel a ring that's translated to the left, right, which rotation will be more limited? Left rotation or right rotation?
Left.
So when you, remember, if I feel a ring that's translated to the left,
You're
right? When you rotate to the right, which way are you supposed to go? To the left. So she's already doing it. No problem. Make sense? When you go to the left, you're supposed to translate which way? To the right. But she's stuck to the left. So therefore, what's going to happen?
Stuck in left
There's
rotation.
going to be limited motion. Okay? So do me a favor, Kate, sit over here. Okay? So if your partner doesn't have a limited shoulder flexion or backward bend or whatever, just assess rotation. When you rotate, you should rotate what? 80 degrees, right? Without doing what? These weird compensation and stuff, right? So let's see Jenny, right? So rotate to the left. No, it's okay, go. Rotate to the left. Rotate to the right. Okay? So which one do you think is more worse?
Right.
Okay? So that means I'm going to look for a ring dysfunction where?
Left.
On the right side.
On the right.
So it's pretty easy. Can't rotate to the right, dysfunction on the right. Because when you what? Rotate to the right, you're supposed to go this way.
Mm-hmm.
To the left. That means somebody's going this way. Make sense? Okay? So we're going to do this to be easy. So I'm going to go. There's two ways of finding ring dysfunctions. You can either put your hand on all the rings and then rotate and see which one displaces, which is kind of hard. Or a method, the other method is doing a static, where you go to each rib and you just touch it. And you ask yourself, does it feel like it's translated? Just like we just did right now. Good news, this is easier than you just did right now because there will be clues. The biggest clue is it could be tender. Alright? So I'm going to do this here. Or you can feel muscle that's what? Hypertonic. Right? So this, and you feel tender. Right there. Okay, found one. Alright? So I found this one to be tender. So what am I going to do to this side here? I'm going to posteriorly rotate or anteriorly rotate it? I'm going to posteriorly rotate it. Yep.
Are you doing anything special when you find if it's tender? Are you like pushing in on it?
At this point in time, no. We're going to talk about that in a second.
So you're trying to do this one, right?
Just so yeah, good point, right? So I feel like this guy here is doing what? This. Therefore what? It's like
That one.
this, right? So I'm gonna do what?
Post.
Posterior rotate, right?
It's posterior, so you want to do it on the right. You're going to go like
Yes.
that. Okay.
So I'm on the right side here. This is the tender one. I'm gonna go on it, and I'm gonna posteriorly rotate that side. Then my other hand is gonna do what?
Anteriorly rotate.
Anteriorly rotate, and then
Decompress.
press. Okay? So everybody just do it with me with your hands. Just doing this. Like, right? Got it? With a little lift. Okay? So, relax. Okay? I'm gonna do it on her. add a little lift, okay? And this is little, we're not doing, whoa, I got you, like I demonstrated before, and you're impressed, that's a strong full net, right? Ready? And then rotate down to the right. Alright, and now the better, right?
Are you using your thumb?
Yes,
It's
you're using your
like, okay.
thumbs. Well, I'm teaching you with your thumbs. LJ Lee doesn't like thumbs. Diane Lee is okay with thumbs. I think it's easier with thumbs, so I'm gonna teach you this.
When you don't use your thumbs for that, like how do you get your fingers like around the whole?
I know. You use your emergencies.
Oh.
I think it's harder, alright? So, you see what I did there? I just did what? This, a slight little lift. Okay? Now the hard thing is, as you were trying to what? Rotate her back? Ask yourself, did I actually rotate her? Because there's gonna be one category where you doing this is doing nothing. Alright? Because right now, what's causing this is some type of tight muscle. Most of the time. 9 times out of 10, it's a tight muscle. But every once in a while, you're gonna get a segment, like, that's not muscle, that's a capsule. Now how do you tell? You can't rotate it back. Alright? So, I'm just gonna, can I rotate it? Yes. Then left. Alright? So, you're gonna do that with your partners. Actually, let's do it all together. I think it might be easier, okay? So have one person sit just like this, okay? And one PT goes from behind.